good day, mates. It's me, Sven, at BFD Drives, and you can see here behind me is still the building of the Motorworld here in Stuttgart, or actually in Böblingen, Region Stuttgart. And yeah, I'm also going to show you some stuff from the entire Motorworld, which is a part here with the Ferraris and so on. Here's a very cool car in a glass box, and yeah, here will be something in the restaurant. This is most likely no more as amazing as before, but I will show you because the classic car dealership is no more there. Or was it there? I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm going to show something here for you just as an update. But as a starter, I cannot leave without filming this wonderful stroke 8 here on the visitors parking. An old Series 1. A wonderful looking car. Always the white steering wheel. 220D. Beautiful. That's probably also interesting because this year is the Ferrari of the American man. I'm saying it because this is actually a Chevy Corvette, to be more precise. A very radical change compared to the previous generations. So you can see the engine is mounted there. But for sure an impressive looking car. It's also nice. I haven't seen one of these before, or at least not in real. Ford Mustang is is it a 6? No, 7th generation, I guess. Also a stunning looking car. Also stunning to find this Lancia Prisma. It's also a rarity already. Beautiful car. CMC model cars. Chevy Fire Chief. It's pulling an Airstream trailer. It's from this Motorworld here, and they're using the trailer for street food. So let's walk to here. So a very nice looking Airstream. So, well, and here is the Ferrari dealership, but you're not allowed to film inside of it, so I'm trying to see if there are any cars outside. Well, only one Ferrari is here today. It's this one, and yeah, we have seen it before when I was filming for the Paul Peach Classic Rally. Red matte. So what is it? Cannot say. Is that 12 cylinder? No. No, it's not. That's the car what I was first mistaken as a McLaren, but it's most likely a Ferrari, as you can tell. So it's a 295 GTB. Definitely also a stunning vehicle. It's already a rare car nowadays. But these were the very reliable Fiat cars, Fiat Punto Mark 1, first generation, cool color. My parents also had one of these, and nothing broke for over 13 years. It was the best car they ever had. And here, also nice looking Opel Omega Caravan. Well, nice, kind of. I mean, it's very used up, but yeah, you also don't get to see these anymore. So I'm just filming it in that typical green color that was, yeah, chosen very often for that car. Oh, but now here I'm closer to the Motorworld again on the other side. That's something cool. Volkswagen Jetta from the Fast and Furious series. Hiding in this cool glass box. Totally amazing. Take a look to this. Not for sale. Damon Paul official. Oh, all loving these Jettas. Could be actually even really the one from that series, because the license plate, well, actually you can do that of course also afterwards, so nothing is for sure, but really nice. Then not filming the entire parking lot of the Bentley cars, because I want actually only showing you a little update about the Motorworld. Oh. And imagining that Bentley is a brand of Volkswagen, but looking at something like this Bentley Flying Spur, absolutely stunning. Also, when I'm just here, I'm just noticing the Genesys dealership has also their cars here. What are you thinking about these? I mean, these are looking kind of like, yeah, wannabes. So wannabe Bentleys. I mean, nice front end design, but when you're walking further, then you're noticing it's just a Korean car. Just take a look here. So now, or here. I mean, this one is looking better, at least in my opinion. So now I'm trying to go up on top here. But this is also a car that you do not get to see this often. I mean, it's looking nice, so no offense, but it's still looking like a wannabe Bentley. So Bentley is just better. Just take a look at this. These rear ends, wow. I mean, these are super wow. So of course they cost also more than the Genesis, but yeah, very cool cars. Oh, another Flying Spur. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm anyway going shortly through here, through these cool Bentleys. So and now the different Bentleys, which is actually a Genesis, so that Korean Luxus brand from Hyundai. Also nice looking for sure. I mean, also it's looking like a copycat of a Bentley, but yeah, nice looking cars anyway. This building, by the way, it was a former airport, the airport of Stuttgart in the old days, so during World War II. So this is also an airfield, or has been an airfield, what you're seeing here. So that's also why it's called the airfield. here in this place. Anyway, I'm also going just straight to here because that's something that I've not yet visited. Earlier it has been the foyer of the V8 hotel, but I believe the V8 hotel is now the other building there. There's another building that was built up behind that building. So yeah, now let's see what we can see there. So it's now a restaurant here. Well, of course you can tell by the name, and also still car themed, as you can tell. Here's a lovely Mercedes-Benz 190E. Just mounted on the roof. I hope it's not leaking any oil when you're sitting there. Well, now actually I should turn around my camera because that's then easier for you. So here's a motorbike with a sidecar, and here I first wanted to say Shelby Cobra, but this must be something different. So for sure a nice place to dine when you are a car enthusiast. Amazing, huh? So here's a motorcycle. So what is it? A hacker. This brand says totally nothing to me. A lovely Porsche 911 G series. A Targa. Nice. It's for sale. 184,880 euros. That's not a cheap car. Could be a 930. I know it's a Carrera, then it's not. So and here, 190 SL Roadster. That's nice. Trying to get through that. Oops. I should lose some weight, then it's easier. Amazing, huh? So nice, decorated. For sure, also a cool place to dine if you are a car enthusiast and saying, "Hey Sven," or whoever you're asking, where are cool cars? And where can you have a great meal? I mean, I don't know how good the meals are, but I guess they are great because I've seen the entire furniture, so it's not something I would say to be bad or something like that. So yeah, we can also take a short look to the meals. The prices are actually still alright. Of course, a little bit higher than somewhere else, but yeah, still not over expensive, I would say. Also something for model car collectors. Lovely. I just left the dinner thingy, and I've seen this here, so I was just walking to the outside again. Here, by the way, is the V8 hotel, and there's also the McLaren dealership. But now let's take a look to this. It's a nice decoration. A Gogo Mobile. And let's just walk around. Just here the roundabout. Perfect decoration for a roundabout. And here a nice tow truck looking American. So let's try to get them both together. Yeah, perfect photo. My photos you can only find on Facebook on my private page. But it seems like you can find me with BFD drives there, because I was sharing once a post in public, as it seems like. And mentioning my name, my channel's name, I mean Chevy Advanced Design. Cool truck.